I am back. It is 12/15/2022. I got my bag for $32. It's a very nice bag. I'll show you guys later because I gotta eat before I went to the dumpling shop because I'm famished and the chicken shop was closed. So I'm going to have these lovely little things. Okay, these are veggie and chicken. My total cost at the dumpling shop, was 90 NTD. 4 dumplings, I ate one. Noodles, traditional sauce. Potstickers. 4 of them, 2 different kinds. 90 NTD, to give everyone a little bit of an estimate here, is the same as $2.94. I got all this food. I then bought 4 because I'm tired. I ended up walking like literally 4 or 5 kilometers, which was a bad idea in new shoes. I'm not exactly sure what I was thinking here. I love Converses. I have a leather pair, but I wore low heel socks, which are stupid. But anyway, I got 4 different types of boba. This is a plain boba tea. An iced boba tea. They all have one piece. Another iced boba tea. A little design on the top. My splurge of the day. This is an ice cream pudding boba tea. Now, I'm just going to be completely honest here. My splurges of 4 boba teas cost me, oh, it was so expensive. I really just don't know what I'm going to do with myself. It was, hey, baby, I don't care about your ad. I just want to convert. Okay. Okay. $1.90. It was $6.20 for 4 boba teas. That's about the cost of one in this thing where I live. And this is for 2 days. So. This is a pudding ice cream boba tea. I found a new love. Yeah. Okay. I have my dumplings. This is the veggie dumpling. Not my thing as much as the curry chicken dumpling. It's really tasty. I'm going to try one of the Potstickers. I didn't eat breakfast, so I'm eating quite a bit for lunch. There's nothing wrong with Potstickers, but I don't like the fried on the side. I much prefer the steamed all around. The veggie Potstickers. Now let's just try the noodle. I also did pick the paper back because I was exhausted when I got home, or when I got close to home, and I had a 20-minute walk, and my leg was cut from my sneakers. So I was like, I paid, I think, like $3, or like just right here. I paid $3 to get back from the dumpling shop here, and I paid like another $3 to get back from where I was with the baggage shop, because I had been traipsing all around trying to find the bloody bank to exchange my US dollars to Taiwanese dollars. I finally found the bank, but I need my passport, so ergo I didn't get that done today, but I will tomorrow before my trip to Taichung City. The other thing is, living here for the past week has taught me a lot. Number one, I'm not really worried about my budget anymore because everything is super cheap. So like, I can eat out every day if I wanted to. So that is excellent news. Eating out here is fun. I mean, Boba tea more. I mean, really. Because I'm running a little short. These two teas. To the bank, but I think I'm going to figure out the bus to get there and back, because that was kind of exhausting today, and also I was on a very busy road, so I think tomorrow I'm going to run to the bank, but I'm probably going to just take the bus to the bank and back. Was my $70 bag. Okay, this would be like a $70 bag in the States. It's a very nice bag. It has a little computer pocket. It has a zippered area here you can put doodads in. Let's see. Here we go. Huge opening, so you can open and close it. I like that it has handles that you could literally strap on your luggage strap. It's got a pocket here, a pocket here, and then it has a trolley that you can take on and off if you feel so compelled, and it has backpack straps, and it's slightly water repellent, not really because I got drenched in it, but this was $930 in TD, which is the equivalent of $30.37. I really didn't ask questions, I just bought it, because my other bag that I came with is broken, and I'm going to be going to Taichung City tomorrow on Sunday, and I don't want to have to deal with just putting things in my kitty bag because it's not going to work. I also splurged on this lovely little bag. It's water repellent. It's a little backpack. Little zippy bag. Very lightweight, so it can go in my other bag. The reason that I got this bag is kind of because of going to Fisherman's Wharf yesterday, because I love the I Do Be Loved in House series from Taiwan. It is not entirely appropriate for all ages, but pretty much, except for like the second to the last episode. But in it, they talk about how it's always good to have foxes in our lives to keep things curious and mischievous in a good way. And I was in the shop today and I was like, I really want to take you home. And he was only like, let me see here. I left my other bag, which will probably be there tomorrow when I go. But anyway, so here. Okay. let's see here. It was, okay, 1, 0, okay, minus 130, 70, minus, okay, it was 930 for the bag I got. Equals, okay, it was 784 for the Fox backpack, and I was like, if it's under a $10 purchase, I'm probably not going to ask too many questions about it. Taichung City. This floating suitcase is extraordinary proportions, which I rolled literally all over to that bloody bank. I did finally find the bank, but I've got to take my passport back, which is exhausting. And I have 2 minutes into my next lesson, so I'm going to put on my scarf because for some reason my students in Japan have a bit of a problem if my shirt is a little lower, so I wear this to look teacherly. Yeah, this is heaven. Yeah. Really thinking about that tourist visa for 1 to 5 years. I'm just saying it's really tempting right now.